Small place between duty and dreams. I lost a little piece of me, running on empty, smiling on cue, holding up others, but who holds you? The world claps when you stay strong, but quiet when the nights get long. Built a life from broken days, learn to survive in unseen ways. If love is out there, it's hard to find when you're always leaving yourself behind. I gave and gave until I was gone. They needed me and I played along. But when I broke, there was no sound, no one rushing, no arms around. Still breathing, still standing tall, learning to love after it all. Maybe I loved, or maybe I hoped, maybe I just needed someone close. I gave gifts, I gave time, thinking maybe they'd stay this time. But I'm the car when they fall apart, not the home they hold in their heart. Always the giver, never the prize. Learning that love needs more than tries. A quiet ache no one can see, a heart that still believes in maybe. I gave and gave until I was gone. They needed me and I played along. But when I broke, there was no sound, no one rushing, no arms around. Still breathing, still standing tall, learning to love after it all. Maybe love will find its way, or maybe I'm enough someday.